Hi guys, how to fix Windows update error 0x800711c7. So now this latest error in the Windows 11. So how to fix? Firstly you go to setting, then system, scroll down, troubleshooter, other troubleshoot. So click to Windows update run. Okay. So please wait a few minutes. Either restart or services and registry is clear. Your update temp is clear automatically. So please wait few minutes. And then guys, second step is only two steps are there. Only Windows R services.msc, then OK, then update, Windows update. Double click to Windows update. So now it's double click to select and restart. So now this is restarting. So please finish this update troubleshooter and then do services work this. Okay. So guys, okay, have any issue, please comment me. I will support you to 100% solve your problem. So fix service registry missing is or corrupted. You look at guys. Okay. Detecting the service.msc update is restarting. That time we troubleshooting. So it's okay. And do you fix this problem? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So the service registry is missing, so corrupted. To fix this problem, so now check it. Okay.